Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2010 Triumph Tiger 1050. This super sport touring just arrived with just under 25,000 miles. Beautiful mint condition. It's got a metallic black paint scheme. Got a very nice touring windscreen, Lee Bailey's, Denali headlamp, running lights, as well as a Denali air horn, heated grips, hand guards, adjustable levers. It's got an SBK exhaust system, sounds fantastic. SW Motec engine guard, GV top case. I mean, this thing has really got a lot of great features. Brand new tires, steel braided lines, brake lines, center stand. I guess that's about it, but man, that's a lot. Come on by, and this bike's only $49.90. It is not going to be here long. Wait until you feel that 1050 triple engine. Powerful and torquey, sounds fantastic. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.